Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skill, this tutorial will cover you everything. So let's get started. So in this comprehensive Figma tutorial, I will guide you through everything you need to know to start designing with the Figma. So from the basic to advanced features, you will learn how to create stunning designs effectively and efficiently. So perfect for beginners and those looking to refine their skills. So let's get started. To setting up the Figma account, first you need to log in with Figma. So www.figma.com. If you don't have an account yet, head over to Figma and sign up for free. Once you are logged in, you will be greeted by the Figma's dashboard. So I already logged in with my account. So this is my dashboard. I'm currently on my Figma dashboard. Then you can create a new design file or browse through existing one. So I'm going to show you the new design for this tutorial. So first, you need to understand the interface of the Figma dashboard. How does it work? So let me take you a tour of the Figma interface. So on the left hand side, I have created some earlier. So this is for my website, different page I was created. So it's still there. So just ignore those. So on my left hand side, we have the layer panel. So different panel here. So this is the layer. So if you click each of them, so you can see this is one of my page I was create earlier. So this is locked. If you want to open, just click here, then this page will be open. The different assets, you can start and explore different components from those layers, and then the different page. So if you created the page here, so I have the empty blank page here. So when you are created the contents or any box, etc., I will go through shortly. So you can view from on your left hand side, and then move to on the top. So this is your main menu. So you can choose different files. If you create a new design files, so click here, and then from the Figma file, or then maybe if you scratch any file here, so if you click, you can go ahead and create one of those, and then you can place any images, you can copy, you can export, those frames as a PDF and share with your colleagues or whoever you want to share. Then if you want to edit some page, so it's all here. So you can undo if you don't want any text or any boxes. If you want to remove, then if you want to copy, then replace, then if you want to use duplicate page, you can delete. So different option here to choose different colors, different property. Then you can select like all of the different pages on dashboard, so you can use then view. So you can view as a different way. So this is all, you can zoom in out, and then if you want to feed the page as a 100%, so it's all option available here. So just use which size you want to use. Then text, if you want to bold, italic, under line, create a different link under the text, and then bullet point, alignment, then text direction, and if you want to spell check. So then move to the next one is the plugin. If you want to use any plugin, widgets, and then different desktop app, so you can use from here on your creating a new page. Then moving on to the next section from the menu bar. So it's a different option here to choose for your page. So I have created earlier, so those is available on my screen. And then this is the your page layout, how you want to start your page. So I have created here, so one page I will show you soon. So how to use those, I just go through the all interface shortly. Then different section, then slice. So then next one is like the different rectangle box, then line, different line, how thin or thick you want use the line on your text box, under the text box, or inside your page. Then different arrow, then if you want to use these stairs or whatever. And the next one is pen or pencil, if you want to use a pen inside your text or pencil, that's up to you. And then text, you want italic or what design you want, and there's different boxes here. Then go to the different components. So if you want to create different components in one of your pages or different pages, so you can use, and it's much easier to create a full page content, so you can use from there those content. And then whenever you're ready, happy with your page content, so you can share here, click here, share, and then export. And there is a different option will be available, PDF, PNG, how you want to save your documents. Then there is a different preview, so if you want to preview your page, so you can preview from here. And then there is a some option here to create the prototypes. I'm not going through those in this tutorial, so I will make another tutorial about how to use Figma to create a prototype. And on my right hand side, you can see the different option to resize your page. So this is all size available here, or then layout, different option here, so that you can fill out your text, your some colors, effect, how you want to export, etc. Then layout, grid, so what design you want to use. So there's different size and grid colors, and then fill out the different colors, so you can switch from here. And if you know the code from your heart, so you can just type in here and add color onto your text box. Then different stroke, so it's here, and different effect, so how you want to see your text design. So it's drop shaped, so it's so many different option available here, you can choose, but I have here is drop shadow. And then export option, so how you want to share your or upload your export your documents, so you can choose from there. So the PNG is available at the moment on my screen. And I'm using the free version, so on the pay version there is so much to use, and so many different option available, so there is much things to create than free version. Then just working with the text, so I'm just give you a short example how you going to use those interface. So this is a frame or section, so if you want a section, just you click here and click drag drop, there will be, when I use this box. So you can see I have created one on the background already, but just this is, so you can drag and drop and fix how you want to be. So, and that's all. And this is your frame name. So if you just click here, you can use multiple pages, uh, one dashboard. So you can create like frame one. Then just give you example. I'm going to create the new one. So new one would be here. And then if I want to create multiple box here, maybe just take this one here, double click, and write the text. Okay, and then if I want to use the line, maybe just it's a little bit tricky, so just ignore that. Just need to play around and fix it. So this is like arrow, or if you want to create a new one here like that. So if you want to use like chart, and then maybe you can just Control C, copy, Control V. There will be different one here. So make it easier for you, save time. So that's the like for creating a chart, or uh, like making the relation from one box to others. So and then you can just drag, drop wherever you like. So it's very easy and friendly. So you just need to take time and do that. And there's a pen or pencil, so I'm using pencils like circle this, so you can do whatever you want. I'm making some circle by this. So it's a really good tools to create, design, anything. So you can use for website page, or anything, business plan, or your company web details on you to publish with the in a website. So you can create all contents here, design, use different colors, and you just double click, that will be gone away. Okay, so yeah, so it's very easy to use those element, and just collaborate with all the features and explore the different design. So you can change the design from on your right hand side. So click here, design. It will take a little bit longer than expecting. Yeah, so yeah, I guess that's all for today. Figma tutorials. I covered a lot, from the setting up your workspace to creating in interactive prototypes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topics you would like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy designing. Thank you, everyone.